Yeah, Papa Kufour. Yeah, Papa Kufour. Memo bian kanasem. Do you know, say in 2002, J.A. Kufour Tamsika, Emma Baako say, Uncle Switzerland, no uncle investigate J.J. Rawlings say, J.J. Rawlings and a more account was Switzerland. Baako was just a reporter, not a rent to but Baako managed to get a first-class ticket to go stay in Switzerland for weeks to investigate. Say J.J. Rawlings' account was Switzerland that Owie Ghana Sika. Yeah, Papa Kufour. Memo bian kanasem. Mingan started here, but you see, and I'm starting here. Muna mode bae. Stone Boy, and I will prepare the food for you people. Every single week, and by the time I am done, obituary will be written in Ghana, and we are here. We will see. They sent the ECG to just go to John Mahama's house to go and check. Said John Mahama turned a light bill because they had an election. They wanted to disgrace John Mahama. This is Dubik Mahama. After all these things, I catch him say, "Yeba J.A. Kufour story no. Yansisa bibia de kwa na eko. Yebete eye krono ene nyome bia omo cartoon from me dada Ghana for, especially a young Ghanaian. And the show way, Nipa or sponsor show way, your friend Kwaku. Kwaku Baako document be a made beto hano. I will show we no a Kwaku Baako and the two say yan fan chemo. Maka we actually Ghana for say gradually no. Obia wedi 28 years and below will understand Kufour Bonia obedi Ghana for any dream. And I will show you Kufour, who Kufour is. Who Nana Dankwa Kufuor is, the similarities in their governance. And then I remember who say J.A. Kufour only different from Kufuor or the same product. Now it's more dear a work for trim. Ya church limun and say Sebio Ghana phobia abehu Kufour trim or ding adwene bonia odibu Ghana o free power. Nyoma or or making sure so oma pepa ni nyina free internet so no enkakra ye bete ne to abie ne to ema obia hu Kufour na ote ho no ehu se onye nipa papa when it comes to governance. Maka me say Kufour as a father, I respect him. Kufour as a statesman, I respect him. Kufour as a family head, I respect him. Kufour as a husband, I respect him. Kufour as a grandfather, I respect him. And Kufour as a dad. But Kufour as a politician, he's one of the greatest political criminals in the history of the Republic of Ghana. And I'm stuck to that statement. As a politician and as a former president, Obedi Ghana, so he's one of the greatest liars, greatest hypocrite, greatest political criminals in the history of Ghana. The reason why we are struggling as Ghanaians to know the truth about Kufour and say he did a good job by wiping his ass after he left office. And today, you'll find more videos on Kwame Nkrumah than J.A. Kufour. And then there, make I just say, go on the internet and find Kufour and go see Kufour, the things he said. You will not find it because J.A. Kufour deliberately committed crimes and cleaned it up before he left office. And a year Shraj report 2006 report, we cannot find it because J.A. Kufour instructed them to delete it because that is where it is clear that his son is guilty. He himself, he basically bought Hotel Wawa. That is why till date no MPP person has come out to say the Shraj report in 2006 is there. It was under the leadership of Kufour. The Bonia Odi na Opepa and the two and son of free power. They should come and give us the 2006 report of Shraj. He destroyed everything. Last Michemo, the reasons are Oma Moa or say or the redenomination. Adentra or some more coins kuta, send a mobile to ATM, send a bear. Kufour did not give you any economic or scientific reason why you should change Ghana's money, redenominate it. Kufour is a liar. Reasons crowd the man for redenomination, it say, Papa way or your true for. He's one of the greatest hypocritical government president you've had in Ghana. And let's get the facts straight. I am still waiting for somebody to challenge me that 2006 Shraj report under Kufour is still there. Kufour deleted it. Where is the report? Kwaku Baako has been flying documents around like a mad dog. He should come and give us the 2006 Shraj report. This is J.A. Kufour and Kwaku Baako. These are the people Kufour used in lying to Ghanaians for a long time. Or you see the likes of Kwaku Baako, Paul Adomotri, Kwame Sefakan, Ewufona. They call themselves, we are the elite journalists. They are criminal collaborators who helped Kufour clean up his ass. She. Intinan kamuju say, Mudidi matem, ekekan kwasi asem no mama papa Kufour no ko. Na Kufour chen Kwame Nkrumah. A wicked man as a politician. Weja. Mami hwe meni na me fan time we no. Diaka. Ebi wom. Yeah. I mean, if I left eye, we should check the aka. Kakra wom. Yeah. Weja. Inti Kevin Taylor meti obi I ain't away. Obewu me say yeah. Meka no kura no mewu a meka ansa no mewu. Ma bodam. What you say una betu hu me. Obi adu hu me. Since I started here, the ended show no is dedicated to Kwaku Baako and it is sponsored by Kwaku Baako. Every document I'm about to put here, Kwaku Baako and the two. That's the okay, Mr. Thank you. Me team no cry me what show the sukra no mo load me. Mr. Let me keep this for now and then pull it up when we get to that point. Before I forget. Me team no me show the no mo year production. Eh, enko for na. Ye be kumo mo MP before ye be kumo. Ya no krebe kumo ye good party no ye good da me catch them say me good party no when you say me dia agro ade bia me be ye mo no mo ambenu mo say mo te party na say we dey part 1 me share anya action bia hwe time no dru na ye campaign na bo say Kevin mabodam mo de mo munya hu hwe we ko dey say agro na me mudi me nye action bia me start say me ye action a munya mo dwane. Oh, besides, where did it go? Yeah, Baba show no menso majidwa bibia mu fine. Bepe 1 or 2 documents be my team na send me. I'm trying to get it before we continue because a very important document. Besides, I have it. I'm trying to move it up here. All right. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Documents in here. Anytime they be atnasia, yeah, nyabotini ejudwom. I have them. I think the system is slow now. I don't know why. Okay. I think I can pull it out now. Omo nyina hwe na onhwe akwakohwe den obodam onhwe na wo bibi hwe Kevin Taylor ye show wo so onhwe na wo kohwe den edam bi na wo bo team I'm finding only one. I'm trying to get okay, I got it. Thank you very much. I have it. Now show we Kwaku Baako and a sponsor. Recently we came to talk about a year J.A. Kufour denying J.J. Rawlings of some courtesies or protocols. Now, Nipa Bebre can say, hey, na Kufour oyetimudin forsa. Sebio, former president J.J. Rawlings. Ne yire eda uwum paso. U J.A. Kufour enke nye J.J. Rawlings anka u J.A. Kufour anka president a friend president count me dibida because sanka J.J. anjantum say yenye constitution na yemfa nto aba anka J.A. Kufour say making anka a people's teacher anka which is also good for him because teacher no headmaster or they be anankora ni suro no it would have been a perfect profession for him because yentanya teacher for almost wa enkwara suro mo intinka Kufour ene JJ ene jitu mu say sebio yema obia medi before years no nkona 8 years anka Kufour nke bia nkonya best teacher in the Central region. But realistically time I be who say in summer omokato Rawlings so because for a long time JJ Rawlings was screaming about how bad Kufour is, how inhumane Kufour is, how he treats people, how Kufour is not a good person. But the media protected J.A. Kufour because na Asantefour, Akamfour media na air dominating Ghana. Inti what happened was Kufour di bone oyen semhunu oye katashene proye as president na yakamfour Kumasefour radio stations no akan share every so ya santini. So J.J. Rawlings na okasa because Pobia or the moja etwaso ema Ghana a democracy ende kebima mike because wa J.A. Kufour wa amfani moja ntwa bibia so wa amfani bibia organization demri fam na J.J. Rawlings mo ekon akoden etumi Ghana si wo constitution oya bema tintin gram wo yehufoɔ because J.A. Kufour in nowhere in our history was he bold enough to even step out. All that he would do is he would follow people and say, we were part of this group. We were part of this group. Even at some point in our history, J.J. Rawlings appointed Kufour to serve in government. So it shows that Kufour has always been envious of J.J. Rawlings. Now, team, are we good? Team, are we good? Are we good with sound? I'm getting feedback here that there's no sound on YouTube. There's no sound. Mr. P, Mr. S, please verify that for me. Team, double check sound for me. Please double check before I continue. on all platforms, please. Okay, we are good. Okay, we are good. All right. So, we say Kufour was just envious of JJ Rawlings from the beginning. Now, ya say, I want any young man, sir, Junior Jesus, why ye Juma, Eddie near Ding, at the Ghana baby baby was said, no, until you could see, say, it was deliberate. Now, I want ya no tino, Kufour trim. Now, when Kufour became president, JJ Rawlings, at a point, he was crying, screaming all over the place, but nobody was listening to him because, one, the NPP Akan radio for no, they had already tagged Rawlings or Nipa Bonini, kind courtesy Kwaku Baako, a slimy, very vindictive liar who posed as a journalist and did a lot of damage. Discredited JJ Rawlings because Onu Kwaku Baako felt to say our personal scores with JJ Rawlings, so he had to destroy the image of Rawlings. Into J.A. Kufour them too, they have always been looking for snitches, liars, people who parade and put themselves out there as people who are intellectuals. So they pounced on a liar like Kwaku Baako, and Kwaku Baako them did the damage for the MPP, which Kufour and Kufuor really benefited. Now, let's visit that audio again. Another video now your boy about JJ Rawlings. And it was all about Rawlings, Nyoma of Femua, J.A. Kufour 89, just simple things that Anka Rawlings and Anka Yiriwuye. Now, this video is a video we cannot forget in the history of Ghana because Kufour say Rawlings oni badaye, Kufour oni abadaye, onye ni papa, oye ni pa ni timo ding, and it's a friend dear woo. Now, video way, debia ebebo, ye free, ye boy we are na ya start free, because Kwaku Baako the document about trouble and chere say. Dear Kufour ye nie me wi anama kenkan na mama Ghana fo nyina hu say eye Kufour oyetimo dinfo oyewudifo ne timo din obedi president no de omo ye no e ma nipa asehye omo dede nipa omo kata Kufour bone so. Now let's listen to Rawlings. These videos are very important.
But you better listen to me carefully. Until I left all my life together with that of my wife, until I left office, schooling, officer, and until I left office in the year 2000, I never had a foreign account. Never. The CIA, the German intelligence, British MI5, your Italians, the French, all of you go and look into every bank account and to tell the world whether my wife and I ever had $1, 1 penny anywhere in any bank in any part of the world before I left office. I never did. Interestingly, and it never occurred to me, I had no desire for it. The only time it struck me that I needed a foreign money was when my wife was ill. And it was a situation we could not deal in my country, in Ghana. You know, and we looked for the most affordable place, which was in a university in Europe. That was the first time I suddenly realized how naked I was. In terms of, I couldn't even save my wife's life, a very noble lady who had been through trying times with me. That's when I started calling around the world, friends, can you help, etc. So, having no account, oh, by the way, before I left office, we knew she was going to have this operation, so we had even put a little money aside. I think it was about $22,000 it was going to cost us. My wife is asthmatic, and over the years, it has developed its side effects, you know, both in her intestines and other complicated places. So it was going to be quite an expensive, this thing. And you listen to me carefully. I was looking around the world. Anybody help me? It's not for myself. I have no account. This is the address of the hospital. This is how much it's going to cost. I mean, it was the most shocking, painful experience I'd been across. that I could hardly get any assistance early enough. My government, who knew, the new government, who had taken over from me, who knew I needed help and that we had made preparations, refused. On the last day before we were to leave, she was supposed to be on the operation table on the 22nd of a certain month. 2 days before, that's when I got a letter from the president's office, a 3-page letter, conditions I had to fill, a whole lot of rubbish. We got a ticket, we flew to London. This president, or this man who was a president who had been in office for almost 20 years, 10 years, 18, plus whatever it is, 8 plus another 2, almost 19, 20 years. I had no dollar account anywhere, and I had to stop in London to borrow money from someone so that I could go and do my wife's operation. You listen to me carefully. About 8,000, to take care of her needs, etc., into the hotel. 22,000 it was going to cost us, either dollars or euro. I think it was dollars, into the hospital. When the operation, after a while, I had to leave and go back to Ghana and left her. Here's the shocking part of it. After the operation was done, on borrowed money, people don't believe it, but it's true. On borrowed money, when the operation was done, she was discharged into the hotel so that she could be brought in once in a while, for checkup, a review. Can you believe that when the driver of the embassy under the new government informed the ambassador that I have to take Mrs. Rawlings, for a review, the ambassador said no. In Switzerland, the Ghanaian ambassador, it happened in Switzerland, said no. The driver was so shocked, he put the embassy car key on the table, went and used his own personal car to go and drive my wife to the hospital for the review. This is the kind of vicious petty-mindedness that you can sometimes run in parts of the world in terms of my relationship with this character that, your Western powers or the Western powers have promoted, and they are trying to sanitize his image as if he's the cleanest, finest head of state in Africa. It's absolute rubbish. He's a criminal. He's a thief. He went around telling the world, wrote a letter to every bank around the world that I had stolen suitcases of money into bank accounts. I was trying to kill him, make a coup. I had stolen 19 cars, etc. All of them were false. I will not tell you something that the bank... It took 3 months for me to be able to open a bank account through somebody. Finally, when the bank manager was going to open that account for me, do you know what he told his Swiss friend? You can come and do it. Every day he goes there. Is it open? Is it open? Is it open? Finally, after 3 months, the man told my friend that he is one of the few African heads of state who does not own a foreign account. You can now come and open the account for him. I mean, the point I'm trying to make is, look at the difficulty I had from my own government, from outside. But then the other side of it is that to be so mean that not even the driver could send my wife for a review. That ambassador, for being so, he was so mean, the government withdrew every protocol facility as a former head of state. I have to carry my own suitcases, never mind. They even tried to get Swissair not to give me protocol, and Swissair told them, hey, you don't do that. They tried to campaign with other governments, don't give this man protocol facility, etc. And yet, I'm supposed to have been the man who turned the situation round in Ghana, in West Africa. So in effect...
So basically, this man was in pain. Time I now granting interview, people were still insulting this man. People were insulting him. I said, Kufour di odi me no. Me na me handy over power ma Kufour. Me na me jira Independence Square. Me de de bibia hye Kufour nsem. Man fa me nsan kan yire, me fa me nsan kan ba. Me jai to me ma Kufour. Kufour instructed ambassadors around the world. Mama Obia Mwame. Ka kra ebe fama yire free embassy wo edina ko hospital. Kufour catch on mama mama me car. Nyoma me tu kwa na me nyoma bobo me bo. Me na me china ho me yetro 1992 constitution sorry. And me ma Kufour be the president. J.A. Kufour nipa bonini. When Rawlings was screaming and crying in his speech, majority of MPP radio stations and people like Baako, they were making it look like say Kufour Yesu Christo. And this was what a former president who basically, our Fourth Republic, he gave birth to the Fourth Republic. Because the president of Ghana and Debiano, everybody at the end of the day, they need to pay allegiance to J.J. Rawlings' name. Because Rawlings in 1992, one penny, and Kayen to me, Kwasi Ampenyi be mani be the president of Ghana. So at least there was some part of Rawlings that was human. Now Rawlings say, Jai to me, ama wa santini be ma Kufuor. Na ne yere oya santini ti sawo. Na we nipa boni ni ye wudi ni nti. Maame ni wu. Maame ne bre 31st December Women's Movement asante for pa de nya ho faso. 31st December Women's Movement Nana Kuredu ete ye no asante for ma dodo omo aka memu omno munya ho faso. Wa santini ba oyare edam paso bewu. Kufour ka kire ambassadors extra letter ko wiase nyina asema mo bia ma Rawlings in the account. Enya sika nhwe ne yere no. Technically you were trying to murder the woman with the power we gave you. Me kan we ya me di Kufour atem. Now at a point J.A. Kufour nangasa yebusa ne se ade we ya wo ye no eye no kore wo de adwene bone na ye sa ade we na de pa na hye wakome ma ode ye sa J.A. Kufour bie na no e ma answer
and or to establish to me that look, I found this and that and that. What's your reaction? If I'm at fault, I'll say sorry. But that's not how I'm saying. We withdraw so you don't do it again. That's what and it was not as if I went out to do anything. He came after such a trip, blurting out all these things, to ask that courtesies be extended. So I said no. When you use the word courtesy, you should know that it's give and take. Next time, we withdraw so you don't do it again. That's what
So no regrets at all doing that?
No.
When offered the opportunity, would you want to ask him what you have done to him?
Occasionally, we meet at some function, we shake hands. And the wife is in a way a distant relative of mine from Kumasi.
So what's your relationship with his wife?
These days, fine.
These days?
These days, fine.
But in the past, it wasn't?
Some time ago, there were things that really disturbed. And I expressed my displeasure in ways for her to know that she needed to go gingerly.
But these days?
Oh, now I believe we are fine.
You believe or you know?
I believe. Let me say it from my perspective.
Yes.
I hope she feels the same as I feel.
President Kufuor, share with us, what was the most outrageous rumor that you heard about?
And that and that. What's your reaction? If I'm at fault, I'll say sorry. But that's not how I'm sensitive.
Did you offend him personally while in government? Anything you know?
No, I don't remember doing it.
Do you regret withdrawing his diplomatic courtesies?
You don't know what he did to me?
Tell us.
Please, let's go into that.
No,
we are into
so
Christmas.
Was it payback time? He said
not payback,
to you.
not payback, but I was the sitting head of state. He was former. And the sitting, in a way, personifies the state. When you go out to some foreign land to describe your sitting head of state, incompetent, disgrace to the nation, and that sort of thing. Suppose it were his time, you think you could say that about him and come back to Ghana? From what we all know. So that was what I said, look. And it was not as if I went out to do anything. He came after such a trip, blurting out all these things, to ask that courtesies be extended. So I said no. When you use the word courtesy, you should know that it's give and take. Next time, we withdraw so you don't do it again. That's what
So no regrets at all doing that?
No.
When offered the opportunity, would you want to ask him what you have done to him?
Occasionally, we meet at some function.
So ebusa Kufuor. I didn't know yes sir. Jeje Rawlings is your cousin. We are Santini to son. Edison. I don't know yes. Also Rawlings kwa bruche wa kasa wono Kufuor ye incompetent. Na o kan sembi etia na aban. Enti anything a man body trimu pose and na yere yare a na yiri bewu. Anything na one man sa eyedien sa protocols no sa letters or church ya odi gu no ho fin se na be jeje enya the necessary assistance wa bruche enhwe na yere. This is J.A. Kufuor. Otna TV so catch there say ade oyeye no sebio ono at the end of the day oh no because anka there also two Rawlings the two na anka no any problem. And obi na catch Bulare say na anka Rawlings time na anka ojun say ono Kufuor man ho ache no from the enim no but one can the enim speculations no na or can sama to from him because you see the bia Kufuor free no in sama ye kato ni patrima engineer so ni so. But when you listen to a former president shamefully defend such an act, ubusa won say na nipa we na debia sebio osoria na opese o decide ma Ghana de ondi enim na yentumi nka no ho asem. Now and mama nchiro story a yebeye about Kufuor no efa eye J.A. Kufuor ene Kufuor etirimupo a omobo ya omudi Rawlings dream. Any similarities are eda eye J.A. Kufuor any Kufuor do aban mu ebemu hu se ampa koto onwa noma. Now near ha na Kwaku Baako at the end of the day edit document we beto the page so on social media say we any eye asema esi ye embra na JJ Rawlings pe eye assistance from government to travel out of the country as a former head of state. Into one in Kratanban or men can't Ghana for the womb. Now, this is what actually transpired. JJ Rawlings actual letter koma Kufuor abain. Say, opeso 2 kwine, one ni 8, ene ne yiri 8 bi, omoko US. Na 8, any event program bi na oko kasawa asye, HIV 8. Na omubefa UK, inti Kufuor abain no. Mbwano na ontumi ntu kwan in free Ghana emfa UK na onko pie US. Now time a JJ Rawlings trust a letter no e de koma eye the foreign affairs minister no na nipa oye minister that time e wo Kufuor aban no na eye Nana Adodankwa Kufuor. Na on the foreign affairs minister e wo Kufuor aban Kufuor aban. Inti JJ Rawlings trust letter no koma Kufuor. Inti also tiasie now who the kind of political party you're from MPP. Rawlings letter in Office of Jerry John Rawlings, telephone number blah 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 blah, PO Box CT 4121. The Honorable Minister, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Accra. Attention, Chief of Protocol. Into Rawlings Troll letter no koma a Foreign Affairs Minister, which is done everywhere. Obeso tukwan as a former president, Ocho koma Foreign Affairs Minister no I communicated to the president no now president number green light. Now they will hear the amount. Now o kan letter na Rawlings chokoma Kufuor do na oye Kufuor foreign affairs minister. Kwaku Baako na di documents we ba se men kan kire mo de Kufuor do ne Kufuor yeye. Nti men ka se men akofa krata ba. Krata we ye Kwaku Baako krata o de abekire se yen kan kire mo. Minim so obewu na o releasing krata ni nyina se obewu a e ono an problem. Now former President Jerry John Rawlings to visit Washington, D.C., USA. And in fact, that time, none the special assistant, Victor Smith, or Ghana ambassador to the United States, or Washington, D.C. Let us say, His Excellency, the former president will leave Accra on Sunday, September 14th, 2003, for Washington, D.C. via London to address a public event on HIV/AIDS. President Rawlings, accompanied by Special Assistant Victor Smith, Special Security Officer Festus Akoto and Miss Enyonam Anku, aide to former First Lady, will be joining in London by Mrs. Rawlings to travel to the USA. Inti letter in the first and second paragraph say President Rawlings through a special assistant Victor Smith short letter come Kufuor office say President former President Rawlings or US or event be na one me any Mrs. Rawlings and the former First Lady or no sooner 8. Yen na fa UK na ya former First Lady no na ya na toa so akọ US no akọ event na ye invite President Rawlings. Now, Mr. Smith and Akoto, as well as Miss Anku, require visa renewals for the United States, and it will be appreciated if your outfit could assist urgently in this respect. Intina yo nipa mienu bia omo eka ho Mr. Smith and Akoto omo no na omo hia renewal of their visa. Intina waka che foreign affairs minister say sanka ni menimi ya obetuma aboa am renew omo visa na omo se na be ya omo ne former president betukwa, because omo de omo tane former president no e de tukwa omo special aid ni omo. Inti na nyina wa letter nim. President Rawlings and entourage will be traveling on British Airways and will arrive London at 6:35 hours Monday, September 15, 2003. Now, as always, it will be appreciated if appropriate courtesies could be extended to His Excellency. Accept, Honorable Minister, the assurance of my highest consideration. Signed, Victor Smith. Inti letter when the free JJ Rawlings office. Victor Smith, now a special assistant, Emma Eye, JJ Rawlings. Echokoma Kufuor say, President Kufour, Foreign Affairs Minister, please, you be too kind. Former President, enemy, ne wife, ne aid, no, ne bodyguard, no, ye for UK, afa a former First Lady, no, inti ye ko US for event. Na ye mubi no, ye visa na expire. Inti through a year ministry no, because mona mutumi disa adwuma no express monje nanka mon renew nanka ye nyina ne president no enko, if you say former president no de bia oni ne tukwan. It's simple, it's normal. Inti letter a year JJ Rawlings office etrokoma nanado dankwa ekufuado say Rawlings tukwan or for UK or for na yere inti omonhwem na omombwa with all the courtesies and protocols. Now, Nanado Danko Kufuor responded to letter no. Ediana Kufuor etro ewo letter nim. This is Nanado Danko Kufuor, Foreign Affairs Minister. Na oshe edien oye J.A. Kufour, Foreign Affairs Minister. Remember, document we Kwaku Baako and the document ni nyina baaye enye me. Inti mentina baby enka say Kevin Taylor kofa krata bi aba ena minka bibia Kwaku Baako na de aba say we any see time as asem ni see and I make kan achiro. Now, response na Nanado Danko Kufuor no ye Kufour, Foreign Affairs Minister, Edema JJ Rawlings, former president enie. Response, former President Jerry John Rawlings to visit Washington DC, USA. Nanado Danko Kufuor no asemni. My attention has been drawn by the Chief of Protocol to your letter of 10th September 2003 on this matter. The letter seeks the assistance of this ministry in the procurement of visas for members of former President Rawlings' staff, as well as extension of appropriate courtesies, in quote, appropriate courtesies, also to share quote him, appropriate courtesies, in quote, for his travels. Courtesies which government has since its assumption of office on 7 January 2001 consistently accorded. Also wate wabewu ni letter no on the office no ne chief protocol after the letter bia breno na letter no hu ye no we hu say eya Victor Smith what your letter a free President Rawlings wo say eya President Rawlings ohia emwa as a former president o tu kwan e de akọ eye abrochiri na sa eye help na ohia no and say e was say eye mo amoka no ho no nipa baako na mienu no eri ni mu visa na ono so no na kwantio mu nsensem ne sikasem se bebi obedane ade no oman no so emwa no na ontumi nko de US no because ofa na yire enso e wo UK. Nanado Danko Kufuor say sa nyoma a obubosi a ye friend courtesy since say eye Kufuor ban baaye no sa nyoma ni nyina ye de amamo enti enya wanwa se ende mutual letter we esa de aba. Obi says so Nanado Danko Kufuor was once a minister. Yes. Paragraph 2. Nanado Danko Kufuor anu asem ni Ochokoma Rawlings eni. Government is somewhat astonished to find, however, that the former president, who uses every occasion of his foreign travel to malign and denigrate publicly his successor as president of the republic, the current government, and by implication Ghana, continues to demand the extension of courtesies from government to facilitate travels or facilitate his travels. Or say, anyone one year, say, JJ Rawlings, Ofri Abemu, as you see, foreign minister, former president, Sebio, and then Onya Akwenye Bia Tukwaya. The oya ne say, Okoduru baby na yebusano, Ghana, membo no de ekwa, onka sempa bia mfa Ghana ho. Sebio, eye oman na oja ema Kufour no, se Rawlings Tukwaya, Sebio yebusano se de na ekoso Ghana. Eye Nana Addo Dankwa Kufuor the response to JJ Rawlings and say, the omobe wuni se Rawlings Tukwaya, onka sempa mfa Ghana ho. Ena se wohwe mu a se onka sempa mfa Ghana ho a na kire se enya ade oka sempa fa Kufour ho. Nana Kufuor Addo the response or the JJ Rawlings no. Uko enima or say it makes little sense. Nana Kufuor Addo no. Or say nyansa ketewa bi ne wom. Nyansa bia nheda nimu saa. Or say it makes little sense to continue to accord courtesies to someone who persistently refuses to reciprocate them, as his recent utterances in Nigeria vividly illustrate. Nana Addo Dankwa Kufuor said, "Nyansa bia nim se nipa opie ana nipa sebio otukwan a onka Ghana ho asempa no nyansa bia nim se yeso yete ha no na yenso yatene yensa aboa no." Or say that it makes no sense. Or say nyansa bia nim to continue to accord courtesies. Or say nyansa bia nim se yeni yawa abamu na nipa otukwan a onka Ghana ho asempa titru oka asemboni for Ghana ho efa president no nyansa bia nim se yeni MPP aban yede Ghana sika yede Ghana ye sika ebehwe JJ Rawlings na kwentuo ho eka. Statement and Nana Addo Dankwa Kufuor the Chokoma Rawlings no. Ose nyansa nim upia bontene a onka MPP aban ho asempa na ye jiminti yensantam Ghana sika emwa one tukwan as former president. Ose nyansa bia nim. It makes no sense to continue to accord courtesies to someone, one can say the former president to someone, that disrespect in the tone of the letter. This is the foreign affairs minister. Or say courtesies to someone. That means they never even respected JJ Rawlings as a former president. Technically, they did not even want Rawlings to share his opinion on how bad Kufuor was governing Ghana, how corruption had taken seed in Ghana. They believed, say, JJ Rawlings did not have that right to even speak on Kufuor's governance. Until Nana Kufuor say, "Nyansa bia nim se omo MPP for omo betam Ghana sika na Rawlings tukwan a omo aboa ama Rawlings etukwan. Rawlings etukwan akwa abrochira omo ni nyansa bia nim poso omo Ghana sika be boa Rawlings man etukwan." That is a Kufuor's tone. We Kwaku Baako the publisher say men kan kirebo. Now, my Tuaso team, stay with me. I see, Nana Addo Dankwa Kufuor can say, JJ Rawlings Nancy ko Nigeria. Wan said am pa kan sem papa amfa Kufuor ho. Enti nyanse be the woman say betam Ghana sika na ye de aboa JJ Rawlings say otukwan as a former president. Or say the twa mu nsu mu krampon say JJ ko Nigeria. E ma Nancy ko kasa ye wan ka sem pa amfa ya aban ho. This is a former president. Ochro constitution no ema Nana Addo Dankwa Kufuor do beifo basa no etu be na eye minister di wo Ghana. The foolishness, the impudence, the foolish arrogance of these people. Kufuor ending the statement or say, accordingly, it is not possible. It is possible, Abba. Or say, accordingly, it is not possible at this moment for government, one can say Kufuor, or say for government, meaning the assistance is coming from government, not coming from the Kufuor as a person. It means the assistance JJ is seeking for is coming from government and it's not coming from Kufuor's bank account. Into actual letter, I'll say it is not possible at the moment for government to grant the requests in your letter. Letter no, so statement no using it say Sikana also the boy JJ Rawlings a buying sika na enya Kufuor sika. Enye Kufuor sika. Because anke Kufuor sika and Kobeka say it is not possible at the moment for Kufuor to grant But I say for government, meaning and not possible. So I'm about to taxpayers' money to help Rawlings, a former president, to travel. So it is not possible at the moment for government to grant the request in your letter. Nana Adodankwa Ekufuor and the church letter win on one kasa sign ye. Nana Adodankwa Ekufuor, Minister for Foreign Affairs, and all the Senekoma Victor Smith. We na OCC, Secretary to the President, Office of the President. It means to say J.A. Kufour knew about this decision Nana Adodankwa Ekufuor took. It was Osha Secretary to the President, meaning the President gave Ekufuor the green light to deny J.J. Rawlings all the protocols. And J.A. Kufour deliberately instructed Nana Adodankwa Ekufuor to say, "My name, my J.J. Rawlings, any support or request for." All because Rawlings has criticized J.A. Kufuor's bad governance out of Ghana. That is the bottom line. In Kwasiadia, in Kufour the power, no. Nana Adodankwa Ekufuor said, Kufour say, because down there's a receipt that shows clearly that the Secretary to the President has given the paper or the letter to the President, and the President has given it green light. The Foreign Affairs Minister cannot take that decision alone. It is Obia Junior say, or the letter way Bechere say Ekufuor don't want to take a decision. No, it was Kufour and Ekufuor. They sat down to say we would deny J.J. Rawlings of any of these courtesies. No protocols for him. His wife can go and die, and that Kufour and Ekufuor, they don't care. Natural letter we kuku Baako na de buy. So it is possible, no? It has been a statement they've been using for long. And no nobody did bonnie. It is possible. It is possible. And then they want to say it is not possible. Now, okay, so let us me anyway. Someone say, how can elderly people in Kufour against some nipa omu nimunyansa omu obadaye yade Ghana sika show monsa every single day omu tuminya sika show mo. This was the same time na Kufour girlfriend Giselle Yadi Kufour had a special aid to the finance minister. Na yetua lady no millions of dollars. Na J.J. Rawlings here assistance. Kufour say oh nye, but na an Iraqi American at Ghana. Yamano an appointment, executive appointment to be the special aid to the finance minister of South Mafo. Na sa obana na oya Kufour penano or na manage the finance ministry without any Ghanaian citizenship trace. Now J.J. Rawlings, a former president, Nana Adodankwa Ekufuor and Kufour letter command the catcher and say they cannot use the same taxpayer money they were using to pay Giselle. No, they cannot give it to Rawlings to travel. This is the NPP. J.A. Kufour no. A very diabolic, bad, wicked politician. Nipa boni ni bianense. When it comes to politics, or one of the most dangerous men in Ghana politics. Now, you ask yourself, I didn't put me heartless, sir. What was the end game? I didn't know Kufour de Ekufuor yes, sir. Nana Adodankwa Ekufuor ne Kufour. Den mutina se bom mutimu pose JJ also no chire no na yire kura ewu a onwu if you say JJ omo creating pressure bia to Ghana for teams or your bonsam. And this was the time JJ was screaming. He was hurt. You could feel pain JJ nekasem because you see say osumo man wo do kra to ho wo ye bibia de ma man na nipa okuma omo ebenya freedom e de omo girlfriends edi omobusuafo disika na wo pesa wo de wo yere ko baby ko sane yare na omutumi tena in the name of NPP na omo ka tell say we cannot give you any money and that your wife can die. And then Emma utie J.J. Rawlings kasa, his voice was shaking because there was pain in his voice. He was hurt because these are the same people. He did everything possible for them to live comfortably in Ghana, because without the 1992 constitution and could be able to be the president. So you could hear the pain. When Rawlings spoke, you could feel the pain.
But you better listen to me carefully. Until I left all my life, together with that of my wife, until I left office, schooling, officer, and until I left office in the year 2000, I never had a foreign account.
And now let's come to issues. Sadia way oh yeah, na 2003. And a deliberately on Kufuor yes, omunye and the Rawlings didn't go. Do you know say in 2002, Kufuor Tamsika Emma Kwaku Baako say onko Switzerland no onko investigate Rawlings say Rawlings and the omo account was Switzerland. Kwaku Baako was just a reporter, not a rent tia. But Kwaku Baako managed to get a first-class ticket to go stay in Switzerland for weeks to investigate. Say Rawlings ewo account was Switzerland that Owie Ghana Sika. Kufour paid Kwaku Baako money a year before 2002. Emma Kwaku Baako echo Switzerland and some other European countries. Say onko investigations Kwaku Baako kwasi abenyiwe satana oni edan kura demu. But suddenly in 2002 Kwaku Baako got money to fly first class to go to Switzerland. Oko Switzerland and other European countries onko investigate say Rawlings ewie sika ampa. So the caption is there. 22nd August 2002. Back from Europe, Kwaku Baako dares Rawlings again. Kwaku Baako call Abroche in 2002. I got to Europe. When they trying to take it to Mano, Kufour and a Tamsika, Ghana, your taxpayers' money. Kwaku Baako cannot prove today, say, oh, ye Juma, and oh, Sika, and the top ticket. Kwaku Baako is supposed to be shot at any firing squad because he caused financial loss to the state. Now, a former president, Yiri Ebewu, now Kwaku Baako kwasi ampenyi no, ya Tamsika manatra first class, akotena Switzerland. Adanya, uncle investigated Rawlings, no me good Rawlings edimasi. He came back 22nd of August 2002. Shamelessly, he came and said he's daring the Rawlings. Ever since there, Kwaku Baako has not been able to prove with one document to say, now Rawlings, ewo one account for any European country. So Kwaku Baako called 2002. That was the time I now hotel Kufuor no Gizel Yaji Aba no ti Kufuor fia na omo negotiate Kufuor ba na bie hotel. A company omo beto hotel wawa. That is the same time Kwaku Baako eko yede ko abruche so investigated Rawlings. 2003 September now Rawlings say ye person Rawlings ko abruche na Kufuor said no. So when you read the story, the editor-in-chief of the Crusading Guide, Kwaku Baako, returned to Accra on Wednesday night after a week's investigative trip to Europe in search of stolen funds. In an interview on arrival at the Kotoka International Airport, Baako said, "The trip was very useful and I renew my challenge to the former first family." Ask Kwaku Baako, what did he find? When he went to Europe, when he went to Switzerland, when he went there, when he was sent by Kufour and the Kufuor to go and find something on Rawlings, did he find anything? A dirty raccoon. We sat in Ghana and these people deliberately almost say nipa. And I don't know why God has allowed these people to be walking on the surface of this earth, because these are bad people. Rawlings, the pain you people cause people in their hearts. So when you read the story, thank you very much, team, for bringing this in. When you read the story, the editor-in-chief of the Crusading Guide, Kwaku Baako, returned to Accra on Wednesday night after weeks' investigative trip to Europe in search of stolen funds. In an interview on arrival at the Kotoka International Airport, Baako said, and I quote, "The trip was very useful and I renew my challenge to the former first family, the Rawlingses, to take me to court." End of quote. Baako said he had read on the internet, media reports that President Jerry John Rawlings has hinted that his wife, Nana Kuredu, has written to the Swiss bank to comment on allegations by the Crusading Guide that she has a foreign account there. Baako laughed and said, and I quote, "Does the ex-president expect Ghanaians to believe that the bank will write and say that it is true there is such an account there?" End of quote. "The bank will collapse immediately for lack of confidentiality." End of quote. He continued, "Is there a better way for the Rawlingses to find out the truth than the law court, where all of us will be under oath to speak the truth or risk perjury?" End of quote. Yebusa Kwaku Baako, okwa ehu bibi. Oso me buy na mabeti say, JJ Rawlings ne yere de so de make court say meme e de nam say me ko investigate no ewo enfa ewo Switzerland ene abruchiri na Kwaku Baako say an na Ghana for dwen say JJ Rawlings ne yere be ka no kra kire Ghana for say omu save was Switzerland ebe sinne Kwaku Baako was not able to provide a single document say Rawlings and Nana Kunedu were saving in any foreign bank. And it's ende the new to aka nsema waka dem o yare no. It's because these are diabolic people. Now nim there ya, let me show you something. Nana Adodan Kufuor de obeye ye time onya tumi no a replica of J.A. Kufuor kwasi ade obeye. And sometimes people will say your words are strong. No, these are politicians who are diabolic. Kufuor any Kufuor do. The Kufuor ye no in power na Kufuor the foreign minister no. It is the same thing. And Kufuor nya to me 2017. J.A. Kufuor be campaign say yemfa Kufuor to be president no, because he knew and he knows that the playbook is there. That is what they will do anytime they get power. They will intimidate. They will do everything possible and lie on some people. 2017, Nana Adodan Kufuor came into office. And what happened? Nana Adodan Kufuor onusu suen free Kufuor. John Dramani Mahama also suffered the same thing as JJ Rawlings suffered. Tuesday, January 10th, 2017, John Dramani Mahama extra letter. The harassment, the same thing deny JJ Rawlings, the same thing JJ Rawlings, they did to John Dramani Mahama in 2017. J.A. Kufuor, he's Ghana's craziest political criminal. And that is what Kufuor learned. So in 2017, John Mahama wrote a letter to Kufuor, and what did he write? I refer to our agreement. I refer to our agreement on the above subject matter and wish to inform you that I have decided to formally withdraw both requests to continue to stay at my current place of residence, number 3, Prestige Link, Cantonment, and also to use bungalow number 6, 3rd Avenue Ridge as my office. It would appear that these requests threaten to mar the spirit of cooperation with which we as co-chairs of the joint transition team have managed the smooth transfer of power from my administration to yours. I believe that this controversy is absolutely not needed in these early days as your government settles into office. I do recognize that these are facilities that are conventionally extended to presidents that leave office, and I'm also mindful of the approval by the Parliament of the Republic of Ghana on Wednesday, 4th January 2017 at its 22nd sitting of the 3rd meeting of the 4th session. You will recall, Mr. President, that contrary to the erroneous impression created by some persons in government and the interpretation given to the former letter submitted on my behalf by Mr. Julius Debra, this was a follow-up on an agreement we had on my choice of accommodation and office. I had never requested to purchase the property. My request is therefore humbly withdrawn. As always, my family and I wish you well in your endeavors as you strive to consolidate and advance the gains made by successive government. Signed, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, former President, Republic of Ghana. His Excellency Nana Adodan Kufuor, President of the Republic of Ghana. And then John Dramani Mahama CC'd or copied the Asante Hene Kufuor or said to. Letter me kan na saying Nana Adodan Kufuor answer na Mahama handy over power to him no omotena se agree dan a obedeba Mahama ene dan a obedeba na ede na office ene nyoma a wo say yede ma no as a president leaving office. John Dramani Mahama the embarrassment, the frustration, the deliberate maligning of ono ene nebusia into a letter come Kufuor to say me ya Some no etna se made to me be ma agree on nyoma oka se me to me use as a former president a dan no kura no menka se me fa eye dan a wo de ma atinem say a former president officer me kan ye any a dan Baako but oba power no where you weni and a won nkofo no tata me omu gu manim ase enti we die mempe say ebeye twema mentwe na ebeye ensem bebre no and John Mahama letter come Kufuor on the Tuesday 10th of January 2017 said mesrew a dan no manenka ho office no manenka ho we die me we show brebre nyame nhira wa aban so because sa edan we ni office wenti e de otan ene enimguase bebre me dia mesrew mane nyina enka ho e na o de letter ni bi koma otumfo osai tutu we 2017 and you know a funny thing MPP for ya osafuma for mukai odi enim and ogu John Mahama enim ase said John Mahama pese ofa dan no or pese owia dan no or pese John Mahama cho let and say yeah meeting before I handed over to you me say a dan no mo fama mentrim enya dan ya be ya media because I buy dan me di president we osafuma for na no say tete ka chok e be di nkwasi asam egu John Mahama enim ase at a point John Mahama almost smart ECG mama cho bibi John Mahama granting interview eche Ghana for say me better position this is what I have gone through Nana do danko Kufuor play the book na Kufuor no and no be no dey John Mahama. This is John Mahama.
So you are a beneficiary of this system. In fact, the likes of Abronia DC quote some 15 million ex gratia that you were paid.
That's an absolute lie. He says in 2013, 14 million was paid into my ADB account. I wish my bank statement was here. I'll show it to you, and then you look. After this interview, I have my 2013 bank statement. I'll let you look through and see if there's any 14 million payment. The only payment that was made to me by government, Accountant General, was my salary arrears of 230,000 cedis. That's all. In 2013. I'll show you that bank statement.
No ex gratia or...
No ex gratia. I was paid 230,000 as salary arrears in 2013. And I can call a group of you journalists. I'll show it to you first. And later, if you want, we can call a group of you journalists. Of course, I don't want to publish my bank statement, but I can put it before you and you look through all the payments and see if there's a 14 million CD payment. I didn't receive any such payment. And he also says that I receive privileges and perks since I left office in 2017, worth 15 million CDs. That is absolutely untrue. I receive only my monthly pension, like President Kufour, President Rawlings was receiving until he died. That's all I get. The state does not pay my electricity bill. As we sit here, these lights, I pay the bill monthly. The state does not pay. He says they pay my electricity bill. It's not true. I pay the electricity bill for my house and my office. I pay the water bill for my house and my office. I live in my own accommodation, so the state does not pay me anything for accommodation. They haven't given me an office. I rent an office in East Cantonments. I pay the rent myself. I pay my own fuel. The state doesn't give me fuel. I pay my own domestic staff. I pay my own medical bills. I pay my own air tickets when I travel. You know, I'm traveling tonight. I bought those tickets myself, for myself and my wife. And so all those things he said are rubbish. Yes, somebody gave him what we are entitled to. And probably they are doing it for President Kufuor, but they are not doing it for me.
So there was some arrangement as to what...
It was approved in Parliament. Normally, when you leave, yes, they approve what should be done for you.
You are not being...
It's not being done. It's not being done for me. Why? I don't get electricity.
This is what they did. J.A. Kufuor ni Kufuor. Kufuor we ni diano. Ede Kufuor bae. He replicated the same thing. Na Kufuor or ye Kufuor Foreign Affairs Minister. Kwasi afowei ye kan na obedi di atem say ye did Kufuor atem and ye did Kufuor atem. I am showing you the fact. These documents were brought to me by Baako. I brought in a status allegation way. I brought in a status here. John Mahama $50 million and as gratia. The president, when he was in opposition, told Ghana for a dime was not given to him by Kufuor. And the Kufuor nitisa achenchina. Nitisa achenchina kwa penny on an Ghana and the cars by 8 in the dinechi. And the cars are no Jubilee House na egunifi ho nima abuo funu. And the man every support or two kwaya your man every entourage you need all the security in kwasiafo na Kufuor one of chen aketia. And we sit in Ghana now we can kwasiasam because nipa bidin so be nipa chen obi. J.A. Kufuor is getting every single perk as a former president. Article 68 adebia echirewom every single thing. these people, the president of the republic today, Atamils ba power, adie bia na say a former president, oyema Kufuor. Nkwasi asem no. Je monye nipa. Yatena krom ha the same strategy a oboma Kwaku Baako ekọ Switzerland ebetwa ntro say wakonya bibia wentuma fanche no. The same thing I me my senior brother and I respect him a lot. Captain Smart. Captain Smart enko Dubai. Enko say Mahama ayedey. Mahama koto hotel Dubai. The same playbook. The NPP, they use the same playbook in Kwasiafo. And sometimes when we sit here, now you perceive a chiliman say, part way we Kwasiafo, and nobody should listen to you because Kufuor no, and Kufuor, and especially Kufuor no, or Kanu Kure. He is a political criminal, and nobody should listen to Kufuor because Kufuor deliberately or say nipa. And sometimes when we sit here and we speak the hard truth, you misconstrue or whatever you want to say. You change it and say, yeah, or tie Santifor. Now Santifor money gold. Or tie Kufuor. Now tie MPP. Now Kwasiafo ma. Kufuor chen Atamils. Kufuor or chen John Mahama. Kufuor chen Kwame Nkrumah. We are talking about the deeds of Kufuor, which was terrible. And then Kufuor do esuya. They embarrassed John Mahama the same way J.A. Kufour the same thing he did to J.J. Rawlings. At a point, they even sent ECG to go to John Mahama's house to go and see say John Mahama etuya light bill. That is the NPP. They sent ECG. Say ECG for Enko John Mahama fie after Parliament has passed. They say was say onya all his specs. No, Nana Dan Kwaku Kufuor because I'm paying now watching no. He did not give John Mahama, and so still what they did was they sent the ECG to just go to John Mahama's house to go and check. Say John Mahama trying a light bill because they be election. They wanted to disgrace John Mahama. This is Dubik Mahama under MPP. Kwasiafo.
Yeah. So. Former President's bill, ye coletina ye diako chief of staff for Amanetia.
Kenyo, ain't former President Rawlings, Kufour, Atamils, John Mahama.
So
okay, meet you.
Let me break it down. Former President Kufour bills is here ye the command chief of staff, ye the chief of staff a juma. Ye former President John Mahama dear. Yes, you can. I do. Yes, I can say. Me bomba so be unfair in your politics. Ye bomodia my ensedru ye ensakano. Ye ensakano no. Only no already now utia.
Okay. Onu tiane build that.
Onu tiane build that. It is here. They all say you need to be doing moving forward so that it will be absorbed. Na ye chief of staff I had.
But how come say that any tiane build?
When I make us discrepancies ni bini say send away your juma any sana obenya certain responses nanka ye corner ye ahead of time near the kwa me fam to on the doorstep and I mean no political I am your office I was saying ka ye corner and you reading the meter near challenge say your excellency we will handle it from here, thank you. What you say? So we now have putting that structures in place after a very comprehensive conversation with the chief of staff. She told us her peace of mind and told us exactly what we have to do. Because now people will try to drop the problem at the political doorstep, which is wrong. Because if the institution to say there was it's our problem. They
are lying. Oh, I don't. They wanted to disgrace him. 2020 before elections. Yanko kasa Mahama trying a light bomb. Kwena Mahama kasa personally. Nibotom ska or the trying a light bill. Now, Mamen Chewa Debi, the MPP are dangerous. Kufour is one of those dangerous politicians in Ghana. Very dangerous. So what is a Kufour kasa about Bibi Achon home? J.A. Kufour, or one of the most diabolic Onyak Abadaye, or the former president, Uncle Oman Yiriu. And he says today, Menoka say, Ochina Munina Moncho Mike in Konoho. Namonka say, Ade or ye and on one cassa a yen a day, because and they be dinner a day. Monfa Mike in court, Sna. Namoko Putam Papa Kufour, said, Dia ye and one cassa, dia ye no, a ye fe. A 2% Ghana for you with this away the Pebia, or dog or Yonko Sawu. Unya ba Santinia, your cousin, Kausha Manewu, all because Obisa we are incompetent to abruchi. Obawo Miana wouldn't my by force say one in a engine dino. Obawo Miano, how many times Oka say John Mahama are incompetent in opposition? How can we lower ourselves to say the Jimmy? And then we sit in Ghana, yeah, the firewall of Fanny Pebi home, where the Encoma, some other and we are Santini. Or ya Santini obedi president into Odi Bonia. Mama Yanka. Mama sure the similarities between Bawumia, Kufuor Aban, and Kufuor Aban. You will see the playbook here the same. Shadie. Yendia Growaha. And this is just the beginning. Me try Ghana for nobody 28 years and below. No, me try Ghana politics. Politician be you you don't have to be sympathetic. Listen to Nipa checking the record. Don't be sympathetic to people, all because of the way they look now. No, look at the person and read about the person. You will know the person's past record. And then a bet show Nipa Tibia. There are people, you are not just supposed to look at them and feel for them because of the way they look. No, you need to look at them and look at their history. Look deep behind them and you will see who they are. And that is a typical example of a hypocrite, a Kufuor. Mama sure the similarities between the Kufuor and the Kufuor Bino, Bibian Chenji, the same playbook, and Mahamudu Baumia or Kufuor Korano, it is the same playbook he's going to use. And written in there, Baumia Korano Kwasiafwa, power best Yenya to me, because it is Kufuor who is the chief coach. He is directing them what to do. And Kufuor playbook no mean use to do hane. Into where na yet to say Yabapa Kufuor say Kotuma Baumia, it is the same thing he did. Mama sure the similarities. Weja obodam. Mama chro. J.A. Kufuor be the president. Mama chro. Kufuor di wie no, the Kufuor be the same thing. Shade. Similarities between the Kufuor and Kufuor governance. Now, Kufuor gave his brother the position of defense minister. Other prominent positions went to his family members and childhood friends. Oba Kufuor, you will see this when it comes to appointment. Kufuor gave his cousin the position of finance minister and upgraded him by appointing his baby mama and friends as well. Into Usha, Kufuor power no, and only any experience in defense, and also defense minister. Yebusa and also Ojidi said in Yanibitumaye. Nana do danko Kufuor no Kufuor foreign affairs minister no. Oba no se Oforia Tambe finance minister, ne direct cousin. Remember, in conform ni Kufuor ye adwuma ni nyina no, Nana do danko Kufuor the transfer mu nyina the majority of them eba na abemu Osafoma Afo, the former auditor general, Hakmarusu Ajiman, Fremont Parry. These are the same people. It replication no happened. Kufuor the taking over no. The similarities na make sure no. Kufuor ba na demand ba ninia bema be defense minister and na den or friend him down for oni omoboko shata for say mo hand kro and Kufuor by the same thing Oforiata take over. Now when it comes to denial of privileges to predecessors, senior omutumi deny omo colleagues omuja tumi momo. Kufuor denied Rawlings his privileges as the former president even when Nana Kunedu was sick. Now come to Kufuor. Kufuor denied Mahama his privileges as the former president. Mahama paid for his own medical expenses, travel expenses, and utilities. It's the same playbook. Kufuor would deny JJ, Kufuor would deny Mahama. Kufuor will appoint his brother as defense minister, Kufuor will appoint his cousin as the finance minister. Now, when it comes to family, business, and benefits, make sure similarities. MPP is a dangerous political party. Kufuor is not different from Kufuor. And the two of them, they are not different from Bawumia because Bawumia is their apprentice. Now, when it comes to family business and benefits, Kufuor's children formed an SPV a year after he won power in 2002 to facilitate the purchase of a hotel under dubious circumstances. Hotel Wawa. Kufuor bedi power 2 years weapon and number a company and the SPV special purpose vehicle and the tour hotel Wawa. Kufuor and a creative Oba Kufuor Nana Danko Kufuor's daughters formed an NGO, My Sister's Keeper. What Kaisa company no? They took donations from the financial institutions. They had $25 million in painting contract, Jankroma, and other things. So Refi, My Sister's Keeper, this is the damage they did. Make sure similarities. Do you remember My Sister's Keeper? Nana Danko Kufuor they basically took monies from financial institutions and created My Sister's Keeper. The documentations, the checks, everything showed the amount of money they made from the taxpayer, 227,000, and so much money, over 25 million, it went to them. all because Kufuor was using the Kufuor playbook. So Kufuor at the hotel man and ma Kufuor so eba no nemba ebe my sister's keeper. So it is the same thing they are doing. Now let's go back to the similarities. Metro Sankofo adi omaya. You are not supposed to sit and entertain the LPP. Now, when you go down to the second page, Mamencho, thank you very much, team. Mamencho, MPP for we, the same thing. That is why they are all saying, Baomiaba, they are coming to do the same thing. As far as J. Kufour is there, that is what they will do. Now, let me show you similarities. Now, when it comes to corruption and kickbacks, do you remember the kickbacks in the Kufuor's government? Let me show you. J. Kufour, Haruna Iseku, the NPP chairman in 2005, do you remember? Yes, admitted on secret tape that the kickbacks, that's the bribes, were paid to Kufuor in Ghana must go back by contractors. Okay, Haruna Iseku, your NPP chairman, or catch the Ghana and say kickbacks and Kufuor J, na yedigu Ghana must go. Do you remember? Nana Dankwa Kufuor came to power. Corruption and kickbacks. In 2017, the same issue of corruption was related by Nana Dankwa Kufuor in the cash for seat scandal. Investors were charged money before they could see a Kufuor or sit next to him. Moka ese Bruni investor be a press conference. They were paying them over $50,000 before you can see a Kufuor. It's the same similarity, the same playbook. Kufuor, it is going to end up with Bawumia. That is what the MPP represent. J. Kufuor is not a saint. On an part in the poison, they are all learning from the blueprint of J. Kufuor. Now, when you go to political witch hunt against opponents, let me show you what they have done. Political witch hunt, similarities. Kufuor and Kufuor, Bawumia wants to replicate. Kufuor constituted a commission to investigate Rawlings' attempt to discredit him and put him in jail forcefully, but failed. His wife, Nana Kunedu, was processed for court. Mokai, Kufuor power and Oshadate, the reconciliation committee. The strategy was that na opesan Kobiba TV Subeka se Kufuor, JJ Rawlings bombing Yiribu tu Munku JJ Rawlings. Nobody was bold enough to stand on national television to say JJ Rawlings banifie body obi trimutu. Omode JJ Yiriko jina court. Adentira almost say in Sawom Canary B de Nana Kuredu Ajima Rawlings aton at this day sa Canary no sa factory no Nana Kuredu na ton ye company no ewing. Result of the court proceedings, they could see saying J.A. Kufuor withdrew that court case because it was just Jandama Kwaku Baako kreti and I'm catching Ghana for say Nana Kunedu aton in Sawom and Canary. And so at the end of the day, J.A. Kufuor Kasaban withdrew that case from court. Nana Kunedu and Tom Bibia. They set up the reconciliation committee to destroy JJ Rawlings, dent his image, but nobody was able to say JJ Kumi Papa, JJ Kumi Mame. So Kufuor failed on that mission. Nana Dankwa Kufuor, what happened? Replica. Kufuor personally wrote to OSP to investigate Mahama on an Airbus issue. Do you remember? Nana Dankwa Kufuor Chokoma Airbus, Chokoma OSP said, unprosecuted John Mahama. Nahama knew nothing about Airbus, but Kufuor was learning from Kufuor. Persecution, going after former president. This is the similarities that make natural. The NPP, they learned all their diabolic things from J.A. Kufuor. Anytime I can say, in Ghana, one of the greatest political criminals I can never forgive J.A. Kufuor, because Onona say Ghana na bedruha. Don't sit there and let it become your tribal fight. Ask the questions. Use the documents to back your statements. It is not about Obi Enyini. It is not about Obi Amewofa. It is not about Obi Taobi. It is about what their deeds, what they did. Bonia Kufuor edi, Onia Kufuor edi, and why we need to prevent the MPP from coming close to power. J.A. Kufuor is one of the greatest political criminals in the history of Ghana. And as time goes on, I will break things down. Munyina ube hu Kufuor na sebi or one among pesi ebe kana asem no. On say because Kufuor cleaned the system. Because Kufuor you people are struggling to get materials to defend Kufuor. Because no dream say or ye of war. Na no nim say or ye on wankasa nensa. You the people sitting there and saying we want to defend Kufuor. You cannot even get materials to defend Kufuor because Kufuor clean his ass. Kufuor deliberately or prepare the bonnet and the more Kufuor ankasa no aduane e amane dia munye bi manindi because of the diabolic mind that J.A. Kufuor. So I can tell you on authority. one of the most dangerous democratically elected politician in Ghana, J.A. Kufour. Nobody should give him that room to even sit on any national television to decide for us who should lead Ghana. Never in the history of Ghana should that happen. And I keep saying, Obi Oho, that's what I say, Obi to defend Kufuor, only with the facts. I am still waiting, and I'm not blinking, because what I have started, I want the young generation to understand. Tribe. If you do wrong, we will correct you. We will let the young people know that your records are not right and that you have no moral right to sit anywhere else and decide for us. Maka, and I'll keep saying it. Kufour as a husband, I respect him. Kufour as a former president, I respect him. Kufour as a dad. Kufour as an uncle. Kufour as a family head. But Kufour as a politician is one of the greatest criminals Ghana has ever had. And you see, let me show you something. Let's read the Constitution before I put the curtains down. Article 68 of 1992 Constitution. This is Article 68. Article 68, conditions of office of president. The president shall not, while he continues in office as president, A, hold any other office of profit or emolument, whether private or public, and whether directly or indirectly. B, hold the office of chancellor or head of any university in Ghana. You say, ubedi president, what the office no? You cannot hold any office. So the only job you do, your full-time job, is being the president of the republic. This is Article 68. Now, 2, the president shall not, on leaving office as president, the president shall not, on leaving office as president, hold any office or profit or emolument, except with the permission of parliament in any establishment, either directly or indirectly, other than that of the state. You say, with the president, you cannot take any job and pay unless it's a parliament actually say ube into John Mahama, JJ Rawlings more every power no, they were not supposed to work anywhere except parliament in Kwanabeka sa mube to my juma. Into John Mahama was not working for any salary. JJ Rawlings the same. It's not JJ Rawlings now or catch Kufour say, I beg you, give me the assistance. Now Foreign Affairs Minister Kufour say, yeah, nya. Now Kufour say, yes, yeah, nya. What makes you become an evil man? You ni abadaye, unye ni papa ubetuma bua Ghana. Now the Dan Kufour learn all this nonsense from J.A. Kufour. 3, the president shall receive such salary, allowances and facilities as may be prescribed by Parliament on the recommendation of the committee referred to in Article 71 of this Constitution. Into every time be a Sambiano, I was a president, and as a Parliament, Omuti Ekua, Omubetanasi, Adjunjine, the president, into every time there's a change in government, a committee being put together by Parliament, Omun also Muche, President Kofi or the Kasimi or the Daimunu, and then John Mahama Ekano, when the Kufuor came to office, that was done, but the Kufuor decided not to give him anything. The same applies to J.A. Kufour. That was done. Kufuor decided to take all courtesies from Rawlings and wanted his wife to die. And then me say, ha, na me cheche mado kwasi akaje say me tan Kufuor abuo biba. Now let me show you something. Page 4.4. Kwasi afo munim de abedu amagana abedu a Kufuor nka no kre. Point 4. Mame dwudwa mu nchiro. Constitution aye kan no. Point 4. On leaving office, the president shall receive a gratuity in addition to pension, equivalent to his salary and other allowances and facilities prescribed by Parliament in accordance with Clause 3 of this article. Inti sa committee na Parliament beteno pex na bani nyina no de akeka ho nyina omo no mo decide inti president no so free power obeji gratuity obesage the pension obeji nyoma nkitinkiti a Parliament be she John Mahama enya ba akumpo. Emma John Mahama throw letter come Kufuor and or copy Nana Otumfuor say tutu Otumfuor ni mu nyina. What did Otumfuor say? They will tell you Otumfuor was working behind the scenes. I have no problem with him or your politician. I'm dealing with the politicians. Point 5. The salary, allowances, facilities, pensions, and gratuity referred to in Clause 3 and 4 shall be exempt from taxes. Sa sika ebetua ex-president no yente tax in free or gene salary or the gratuity or ni nyina tax free. Did they give John Mahama? Did they give JJ Rawlings? Kufuor and Kufuor said no. And the Kufuor is saint. Mami Anka Kufuor said, I'm asking you, John Mahama about power. Has Kufuor come out to say Onya and salary one day? Every single thing is given to Kufuor. Ope, former president, Kasa Kesiedinechi, BMW 7 Series from 1995, Kufuor will be. And we sit in Ghana and people tell us, I didn't know what Kufuor said. Now Kufuor check Kwame Nkrumah. Is Kufuor better than Kwame Nkrumah? Is Kufuor better than JJ Rawlings? Ediana Kufuor den sakanya owieye. De akofan tokwa we nyina ba ne se me se mo nkyere me ade Kufuor start ya owieye. Ebe si nne kwase bia ba ntumi nkyere me ba akumpo. O ka chem se NHIA project. Emoa. Kufuor is a bad politician. His governance was the worst, the lies that he told us, the way some journalists be that Ghana for and make create impressions say Kufuor yesu. He is not. Point 6. Where the president is removed from office under paragraph C of clause 1 of article 69 of this constitution or resigns, he shall be entitled to such pension and other retirement awards and facilities as Parliament may prescribe on the recommendation of the committee referral in article 71 of this constitution. So president require a resigning Abrawa officer. Still, he gets these perks. Sa entitlement way, sa a yes salary gratuity, sa pension, he gets it. So Kufuor boldly wrote a letter to JJ Rawlings and said, I have taken it away from you. That is a crime against the constitution. For a Kufuor as a foreign minister, telling JJ Rawlings to say, Wako say Kufuor is incompetent. Kufuor catch him and say, Mame Mao, what you deserve, no? That is a crime against the state. A Kufuor Jimmy way today, we are giving him everything. And people sit and say, Umwadia, Meme Nyakwarao. I am a dad. I'm a fucking dad. Me okunu me woma me to me Ghana ni ametinyo masi. So nobody can sit anywhere in a corner and try to intimidate Ghana for. No, we will explain it. We will break it down. We will let you people know. Say Kufuor need him. Montwe mo mics no na monko Kufuor nko busa questions. Not me. Point 7. The salary and allowance payable to the president and any pension or gratuity payable to him on leaving office shall be charged on the consolidated fund. And you'll be bottom sika. Consolidated fund musika ni yedi president nika. So why did these people refuse John Mahama? Why did Kufuor at that time, if it wasn't coming from consolidated fund, why did he refuse? The constitution makes it clear that the president deserves it. And the last part of the constitution, team, let me finish with this. The last part of the constitution, me check you, my ready amamo, I'm ready for you. Minga adwa. Point 8, the salary, allowances, facilities, and privileges of the president shall not be varied to his disadvantage while he holds office. 9, the pension payable to the president and the facilities available to him shall not be varied to his disadvantage during his lifetime. So nobody has the right to stop any of these things going to the former president or whoever it is. Nobody, because it was put together by Parliament and the Constitution upholds it. It is we are Ghana in our juma. The Kufuor no, and the Kufuor no, and why should anybody trust Kufuor when he speaks on loyalty? He speaks on being patriotic. He speaks on being a former president, and we should listen to him. Why should we listen to Kufuor? Because deliberately, not per se a former president. That is what Kufuor was doing. He was abusing the power we gave him. Yeah, Papa Kufuor. Yeah, Papa Kufuor. Memo bian kanasem. Minyan start here. But you see, and I'm starting here. Muna mode bae. Mungo busa Stone Boy, and I will prepare the food for you people. Every single week. And by the time I am done, obituary will be written in Ghana. And we are here, we will see.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with. and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir, the nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past.
We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. J.J. Rawlings said this, and we have to always remember the words of Jerry John Rawlings.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.